Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the available data types in C++ programming language. So the available data types in C++ are divided into three broad categories: fundamental data type, derived data type, and user-defined data type. The fundamental data types are an example: integer, character, boolean, float, double, void, and void character. Where the derived data types are those data types they are derived from the fundamental data type. Like an example, function, array, pointer, and reference are the example of derived data type. Next we have the user-defined data type. These data types are defined by the user. Like an example, class, structure, union, enum, and typedef are the example of user-defined data type. Now talk about the fundamental data types. First we have the integer data type. The int keyword is used for integer data type, and the integer takes 2 or 4 bytes of storage in memory. Next we have the floating point data type. The float keyword is used for the floating point data type, and it takes 4 bytes of storage. And for the double floating point, the double keyword is used and it takes 8 bytes of storage in memory. And next we have the character data type. The char keyword is used for the character data type, and it is used to store one single character, and it takes 1 bytes of storage in memory. Next we have the void character data type. This is same as the character data type, but it takes 2 bytes of storage. Next we have the boolean data type. The bool keyword is used for the boolean data type, and the boolean data type either can be true or it can be false, and it takes 1 bytes of storage in memory. And next we have the void keyword, which is used for the empty value or no value. So these are the available fundamental data types in C++ programming. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.